Hey Skin! We will be making some slime art. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty! Okay, I'm loving this so much. And mix. I got that one solution. It's thickening up. Oh my gosh. That's so magical. So, mixing it until it's at the point where it's sort of sticky, but it's not that sticky. Like slimy slime. Sort of gooey. Gooey. Put it on top of a bowl. Pat it a little bit and let that dry. You can make when this dries, you can make a bowl just like this one I made. Which I put some slime on my table and then I put little pieces of acrylic skin on there. Isn't that nice? And then I have another one that looks kind of like a jellyfish. Whoa. Alright, now that I'm surrounded with all these awesome slime skins, it's time to get to work. I really like this one. Look at that. Okay. Great, now I have that. For first time history. Oh! I like it so much. Then I'm just gonna a layer like this one with these little hearts. I'll show you how to make them. You can use slime to block them from falling. More ways to use slime. Yay! Alright. So now I'm gonna punch a hole into this one. Like I said, if you don't want to tie, you can just block it with slime. Going crazy. Oh, and we have a giant heart. Place your hand on the big heart. Alright, I gotta tie this thing. Or not, because I could block it with this. A little wad of slime. Just wrap it around the twine. Delicious. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Alright, so here is my finished mobile. My art. This one is called the slime, because it's supposed to be the scream, as you can see. Now I'm going to show you how to make a masterpiece like this. So first I just put this white slime on here, and then you gotta let that dry. Now, I'm gonna stretch this, break it, stretch in place. Really rich. Okay, now I'm gonna add some of this black on there, like so. Mush, mushy mush. Some more black. Mush. Smush. Boos. I don't know. To see any big globs of white. And I'm gonna also use this to go like this, there, and this, just like the picture. Alright. And then, this is so cool! Now, since there's like a boat there, I'm gonna go get more orange from here. Nicely done, nicely done. Nice. Looks very good. Like this. Gotta take this whole thing. Wow. Just blob it on there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, put it here, take some raindrops, and 2 little nose holes. And make his mouth. Just like this. There's my little men. They look like peanuts. But here's my screen. So this one is my slime self-portrait. As you can see, it looks like me. So there's the eye. So I stretched out a lot of slime and I laid it down. And sometimes I even went like this. And that was really fun. I outlined my head and made a little bit of hair and a mouth. I just threw some slime across the room onto this canvas. That was very. So now we're gonna make a mini version of this. As you can see, this is my self-portrait. So the first thing that you need to do is take some white slime. Stick it yourself. That's not good. All right. Now, so make sure there's no air bubbles. All right. So now we stretch it and just drizzle it all over. All right. The last thing that you do, you don't have to do this part, but I'm gonna, cause it's so awesome. Oh my gosh. What? It's not even stretching. Oh, there we go. Woo! It's so weird. Oh my gosh. That's how you make a slime portrait.